Action! Welcome to the Pumpkin Harvest Festival. These 3 pumpkins, one of them is going to win the grand prize. Now, this first one is a ghost, which is from Daddy. The second one is with a vampire and a girl right here. Now, number 3 is bats everywhere and with a zombie with a spook head. And when they light up, they look like this. Now, let's see who has the most space in their pumpkins. What they look like. The first one, no. The second one, I don't know. Third one, the second one gets the first prize. Now let's see what gets the second prize for the next most space. This one has the most space. For second place, Mommy's in first, Daddy's in second. Now, this last one, right here, has the tiniest space. But when you open it up, more light comes out. So this one should be voted for the most space. This one should. So it's number 3. Wait, first, second, third. No, wait, first, second. Wait. This one's in first. This one's in third. This one's in second. So, but wait. There's a grand finale pumpkin.
No, she's going to try to pick it up as happy.
There's a grand finale pumpkin that is ready to be devised.
Come on!
Oh, man. Dang it. It's the Ninja Pumpkin. The Ninja Pumpkin. He is so good.
Can you put him up on the counter?
On the counter.
I can't. There's no room. They can't.
Put him in front of the microwave.
I'll try. Jeez, it's too heavy. Someone needs to come and help.
Try again.
Dang it. Okay, it's too heavy.
You got it, girl. Show us your muscles.
You can do it.
Giant size pumpkin, no problem. Okay, there is a problem.
There you go.
Mommy.
You got it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Almost. Ow.
Okay, tell us about your super special pumpkin.
This grand pumpkin is impossible to see in the dark.
You can't see it in the dark.
It's invisible.
It's our ninja pumpkin.
Yes. That's why his face is covered. And plus back here is covered. And plus there's little tiny spaces right there.
Did you break the top?
But this was made of a handful by...
Yep, you broke the top.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, no.
It's okay. It was supposed to be broke off. Now, this pumpkin wins the biggest grand prize ribbon because it's the most talented of all. It was made by me. And plus, also I made this. I made 2 of these pumpkins, but this was a secret pumpkin.
Milo, no.
No! And plus, the ribbons glow in the dark. Just pretend they're there. Now, thank you for coming to our Pick a Pumpkin